bubbles. We see them around us every day, but it's the ones you can't see that might be helping you the most. The substance in this tube may just look like powdered sugar, but it's actually made up of millions of microscopic glass bubbles. These bubbles can be found inside everyday materials like the rubber in your shoes and the concrete in your building. It's even in the console of your car. And it doesn't stop there. But how did it begin? It all goes back to the 1950s. That's when 3M scientist Warren Beck developed a way to manufacture glass bubbles at a minuscule scale. And in doing so, he set off a microscopic revolution.
I'm Steve Amos. I am a senior specialist here at 3M Company. Imagine if you took a glass sphere and shrunk it to the size of half the diameter of a human hair, and then you made millions and millions and millions of them. This is what you see in this tube.
Despite being invisible to the naked eye, these glass bubbles are surprisingly powerful. You might assume that something made of glass would be fragile, but these spheres are strong. I mean, really strong.
We have glass bubbles that have an isostatic strength of 30,000 pounds per square inch. So if you pushed on that bubble with 30,000 pounds of force, it would survive that pressure.
It's this strength that made these glass bubbles perfect for an epic underseas mission to the Marianas Trench, the deepest part of the ocean. In order to withstand the incredible ocean pressures, a specially engineered vessel was constructed using 3M's microbubbles in its materials. But that's not all. Since the glass bubbles are hollow, with walls that are just 1 micron across, they're also feather light. So much so, they can even make a cement block buoyant. And this combination of light weight and strength is why 3M's glass bubbles can also be found in the stratosphere. Airplanes utilize materials containing glass bubbles in their interiors, reducing weight and increasing fuel efficiency. And lightweighting isn't only useful for planes. Glass bubbles can also allow cars to travel farther on less fuel. 3M's bubbles can be found almost everywhere. Bowling balls, wall spackle, paint, fly fishing line, golf balls, snowboards, steering wheels, deck chairs, boats, and oil rigs.
You're probably not that far away, maybe 25 or 30 feet from a glass bubble.
From the bottom of the sea to the stratosphere and everywhere in between, these bubbles are all, well, around. Tiny but powerful.